Shiba Inu coin is looking excellent, trading between 2,200 and 2,300 points per coin. Now, I know you guys are out there saying, okay, 2,200 points per coin, who the heck cares, man? A couple of months ago, it was 8,800 points per coin. I agree. I get it. But when it breaks out of the range that it's been in, that range from 2050 all the way up to 2,200 points per coin, and now it's sustaining levels above 2,200 points per coin, this is big news on a technical scale. So we'll talk about that a little bit in this video, but I also want to talk just slightly more about this partnership between Shiba Inu Coin and Welly's restaurant, because I still see a lot of people talking about it on Twitter and social media and so on. And yes, it is a big deal, but we have to remember that these guys who come up with these deals, Satoshi Milkshake, all of these moderators on Discord and I guess social media or Twitter influencers, that's all they are. They don't own Shiba Inu Coin in the sense that they can make all the decisions to what to do with Shiba Inu Coin. We have to get back to the mindset that Shiba Inu Coin is absolutely invincible, and Shiba Inu Coin can raise and rise much more than anyone ever expected. So we'll talk about that too. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. You're going to get at least 3 free stocks for signing up, and then you're going to get at least $5 in free crypto if you make at least $1 in crypto trade. And then if you want a crypto exclusive exchange, you can use Crypto.com, Binance, and Gemini in the description as well. But guys, let's talk. Let's just go over a couple things in this video. I want to get to 3. If we don't get to 3, if we get to 2, it'll be just fine. So talking about Shiba Inu Coin breaking out of this technical pattern. Now, you guys know by now that Shiba Inu Coin is really moving in lockstep with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. You can chart each one of them side by side, and it is hard to tell the difference. If you didn't have the name of which one it was, and you didn't have the actual price points, if you're just looking at the lines, it's very difficult to tell each one of them apart because they are trading almost identically right now. And the fact that Bitcoin broke back above $40,000 per coin, the fact that I believe Ethereum is back above $3,000 per coin, and Shiba Inu Coin is sitting above the resistance level, what once was resistance at 2,200 points per coin. These are all technical breakouts, and now we have a new floor. So instead of trading down around 2,000 points per coin, Shiba Inu Coin should, emphasize should, stay steady above the 2,200 point per coin level, and hopefully we see that play out. Now, that's kind of a technical look at things. Great. We always want to be above levels and fighting levels of resistance and not coming down and testing levels of support and falling through there. But we've had a lot of news that did not really drive the price of Shiba Inu Coin higher lately, but the underlying coin continues to just, make absolute progress. Now, I'm sure you guys know by now that Welly's is a single chain or single location restaurant in Italy right now, and they've got very high expectations of expanding across the globe. So it's not just going to be a single location in Italy. They have expectations to potentially franchise and do multiple, if not thousands of locations across the globe. Now, this is big because it is a full integration of Shiba Inu Coin in this business model. They are using Doggy DAO. They are using Bone, Leash, Shiboshis, Shiba Inu Coin, and so on. They are creating their own NFTs. Now, guys, like I said before in the video yesterday, if you want to watch it and get a little bit more detail, it does get dangerous if Welly's decides to sell NFTs in order to raise funds and then expand their business. At that point, those NFTs aren't necessarily a crypto. At that point, those NFTs would be considered a security. And, that line just muddies there. And what happens when it's a security? Then it is regulated. Are they filling out the forms for regulations and so on? But you can watch the video that we posted last night to get more details on that. If you guys are kind of wondering what their steps are and what their plan is moving forward and how to expand Welly's. And Welly's, if you're watching right now, hopefully you guys have done your research and you guys know what you're doing. I'll leave that up to you because I imagine you guys do. But talking about that, taking Shiba Inu Coin from a cryptocurrency to an in real life business model is a big step. If it works, it's going to be a phenomenal integration of blockchain in a real life business model that could absolutely take it further. But you know, guys, I was looking at some numbers today, and when it comes to Shiba Inu Coin, rising from literally nothing to billions of dollars in market cap valuation just over the course of a year, that is phenomenal. And everybody always gives you the math excuse as to why something is impossible, because there's not enough money in the world to allow for a $1 valuation or a 1 cent or a 10-cent valuation on Shiba Inu Coin. And I get that side of the argument, but everything telling you that Shiba Inu Coin would go from a couple $1,000 market cap to a couple $1 billion market cap would have, I guess, stood in Shiba Inu Coin's way as well. And if everybody accepted that, I mean, you might still be sitting on a meme coin with a $100,000 valuation that nobody wanted. But people believed in it. And let me tell you something. I do like logic. I do like the math. I do like the numbers. But here, let me tell you a couple numbers. There's about $40 trillion cash in the world. That's US dollars. And there's about, I believe it was $1.3 quadrillion worth of investments, cryptos, investments, derivatives, and so on. So the actual worth of market caps and everything out there is already much greater than the amount of dollars. That's about 3%. Dollars, if you want to cash out, if everybody wanted to go cash out, they could never do it. They could never do it because there's only about 3% cash for every dollar. There's 3 cents for every dollar of worth out there. So math is just a number at this point in the game. If you added up all of the currencies, all of the, not cryptos, but all of the fiat currencies across the globe, and you put all of that money together, it only equals about, according to economists, right? It only equals about 8% of all of the worth out there. So to tell me that Shiba Inu Coin can't reach $1 trillion valuation, it's nonsense, man. They tell me that it can't reach a penny and hit a $5 trillion valuation just because there's not enough money out there is nonsense. At this point, Shiba Inu Coin could hit $1 and it doesn't matter as long as everybody doesn't go do a run on the bank. Remember, because they'll shut the banks down if you do. They'll shut the banks down and they'll freeze your money if you try to run on the bank and take it all out. But as long as people don't go out there and do that, the possibilities are literally endless. Because all it is at this point, guys, is a number on a screen. And if you've got that number, you've got that worth. Great. Is it backed up by $1? No. But you can absolutely get wealthy with that number on a screen. And to anybody who's going to use math as an example to tell you why Shiba Inu Coin can't reach a penny or 10 cents or $1, use math to tell them why it can. And the fact that there's only 3% of dollars or 3 cents for every $1 in worth out there. It's crazy. So guys, I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments below if you're still excited about Shiba Inu Coin, if we're going to take it to a penny, and so on. Get us excited down in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.